Industrial profit numbers out of China. Let's bring in Mr. Zhiqin, Senior Research Fellow at the Chongyang Institute for Financial Studies of Renmin University of China. Always a pleasure to have you on the show, Mr. Liu. So this really is a mixed bag of numbers. What are the key highlights from them? And also tell us which sectors are actually bucking the trend and shoring up performance.
I should say frankly that these figures show that are not the best in the history of our development, but they're already better than expected. As we know, in April and May that China has suffered some challenges from pandemic outbreak, but due to the supportive policies followed closely, that's why the economic recovery is coming very rapidly, especially in two points highlighted. First, the new energy vehicles grow very fast, and secondly is the information service also very important driving force to speed up all these figures. And especially for those vehicles and smart technology and also medical care related productions are really becoming the driving force to stimulate the quick recovery of our economy, especially in Shanghai and other areas. This is the main reason that we should pay great attention.
Now, you talked about how things are looking up when cities like Shanghai are resuming production now. Do you foresee a quicker recovery in the subsequent months?
Yes, I think there is a recovery, a strong recovery, but not a quicker recovery, because we need time to digest some challenges, especially the new policies and supportive policies will be followed according to the real situation. That's why we say a little bit very cautious that we should have the more quick and strong recovery, but not in the short term. In the middle term, that I think in 3 months later, the quicker recovery will follow. That will show us the greater potentials and the greater opportunities for the economic recovery, especially Shanghai, Zhejiang, Jiangsu area. When these provinces are the major production hub in China, when they are coming up, I think the recovery will be very strong. Will have more impressed result and the consequences.
And as you mentioned, pandemic restrictions will continue to pose